Let's go to the house.
Okay.
It's a beautiful day for a walk.
Yes.
Welcome, come on in.
Thanks for having us.
Of course, this way to the house.
It's so beautiful.
This is so nice, isn't it? It really is. Perfect way to start the day. We should do this more often.
Okay, all set. Let's go trekking in the mountains.
Yes, the weather is perfect for it. Let's go. What a lovely day. It is. Let's walk.
We'll come home by evening.
Bye. Okay, take care.
See you later.
Ready for the next stop? Yes, let's go.
All right, buckle up.
Wow, this is amazing.
I know, right?
This drive is so nice. Yeah, the scenery is beautiful.
I'm glad you think so.
You two look so happy.
This trip is the best.
Totally.
Can't stop smiling.
All right, ready for this? Yes, let's go. This is gonna be so fun. The sunlight is perfect today. It really is so peaceful. I could walk here forever. This forest is amazing.
I know. Let's go to the treehouse.
Race you there. This path is so beautiful. Yeah, the sunlight is perfect. I love all the green. Me too. Same. This is so relaxing, isn't it? Yes, the sounds are so soothing. I could do this all day. Let's keep going.
Yeah, almost there. Together we can do it. Look, the clearing.
This forest is so beautiful. I know, right? I love these trees. Let's see what's ahead. Wow, this forest is amazing. Yeah, it feels so peaceful. Look, the sunlight is magical. It's so peaceful here. I could stay here all day. Just listen to the wind. Wow, look at that waterfall! It's incredible, so beautiful. Let's walk along the stream.
Good idea.
Wow, feel that cool water! It's so refreshing. This place is magical. This place is amazing. Yeah, the water is so clear, and the mist feels so refreshing. Totally. This place is incredible. I know, right? So peaceful. I'm so glad we came. This is so beautiful. It really is. Let's keep going. This rain is getting heavy. Yeah, but the path is clear.
Let's keep going. We're almost there.
It's so nice out even with the rain. Yeah, it's so peaceful. Totally, let's keep going. Should we pluck one? Yes, let's just think about it first. They look so ripe. This rain is so refreshing. I know, and the fruit looks so good. Let's grab one. Good idea. Nice day for a walk. Yeah, the rain makes everything so fresh. Look at this orange. Nice find.
Let's keep going.
So fresh. Perfect for a picnic. Wow, look at all this rain. I know, and these ears of corn are huge. Let's grab some more.
Good idea.
These look ready. Yeah, let's get... This one looks perfect. Yeah, so fresh and ripe. Let's grab a few more. Look at this rain. But we got the corn. The best harvest yet. Hurry! This way! The umbrellas, they're flying everywhere! Whoa, I almost slipped! Just a bit further! Oh no, my umbrella! They're all blowing away. We can't get them back now. This one feels so crisp and fresh. I can hear that freshness. So relaxing in the rain. These are growing so well. The rain has been perfect. It's so peaceful. Let's get a few more. This is so fun! I know, right? The rain makes it magical! Wow, look at that treehouse! It's amazing! Let's go! Yeah, it looks so cozy. This should keep us warm. It's so cozy in here. The rain makes it better, definitely. It's so cozy in here. I could stay here forever. Me too. These carrots look so fresh. They are perfect for the stew. I'll chop the greens next. This stew is smelling wonderful, and these noodles are almost ready.
Great! The veggies will be done in a minute.
There we go.
It smells so good already.
It will be ready soon. Here you go, fresh from the stove. It looks delicious, thank you. Wow, that smells amazing. These noodles are so good. Right? Perfect for a rainy day. Yeah, so comforting. More, please! Here you go, it's still warm. It looks delicious.
Thank you, it smells amazing.
You're welcome. This is so cozy. I know, right? And the corn is delicious. The rain is so peaceful. It is. I could watch it all day. Me too, it's so relaxing. Wow, the view from up here is incredible! It really is, so peaceful. I could stay here forever. Wow, this forest is so beautiful. I know, right? The trees are amazing. Yeah, and it smells so fresh. The view from here is incredible. It really is. I'm so glad we came. Me too, it's perfect. Let's keep going. The rain makes it so peaceful, doesn't it? It really does. The view is worth it. Look, the path clears up ahead. This is so nice. It really is. I love this. Wow, this view is incredible. Yeah, it's so beautiful and peaceful. Totally worth the hike. This view is incredible. It really is so peaceful. Let's keep walking. This path is beautiful. Yeah, so peaceful. Perfect for a walk.
Bye, drive safe.
We will. See you soon.
Yeah, text us when you get home.
I will. Good night. Good night.